Hey guys, we're gonna talk about color right now. So, first of all, let us understand how we perceive color. So, of course, color is something visual. You cannot sense your color with your touch or with your taste. It is with your eyes. So, the input that arrives to our body, to our perception, comes through our eyes. So, here on my board, I'm gonna make a little eye. Now, as I said before, there is information coming into our eyes, and when it is processed, it goes up to our brain right there. So if this is our face, we need information that comes through our eyes and goes up to our brain. So what kind of information we need to determine colors? Something super important is to have this, not a bulb, but light. If you turn the lights off, now you cannot see colors. You need to have some light in order to perceive colors. So I am pretty sure that you have heard before the expression speed of light. And this expression means that actually light travels and it moves super fast. So you cannot perceive how fast it's going, so fast that it seems that it is immediate. But the thing is that the light travels from the space into your eyes. And how does the light travel? Well, it doesn't like to travel in straight lines. Light travels through waves, like this. Actually, in one single beam of light, in one single stripe of light, there are not only one, but several waves of light. And they are different from each other. Some of them have very wide waves, while others have shorter waves, just like the ones that we are presenting here. So if you can see, the first one that I made had different waves compared to this blue one or to the red one. Now, you may wonder why I'm talking about all these things. It is because when the light comes into the eye goes up to the brain and says, "Excuse me, Mr. Brain, how are you? I'm receiving some information of light. Maybe you want to analyze it." And the eye brings all this information to the head, to the brain, and the brain says, "Ooh, I am perceiving that you are receiving 3 different waves of light. One is very wide, and others are shorter. Each one of those waves is understood by your brain as a color." So color is nothing else but light that comes into your eyes, processed by your brain and interpreted as a different hue, a different color. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that interesting to know? Probably your science teachers will explain to you a lot better this process, but for arts, this is what we need to know.